Hey, what's going on, guys? So I just want to talk to you really briefly about a contest that is going on that I was made aware of that I want to pass along the information to you guys, and it's the LupusForLupus Contest. They're using the hashtag LupusForLupus, so you can check that out, all the information about that. There's also links down in the description to more full videos explaining about the contest from the two guys who are running it, two channels called ZetaGunpla and ShokyReviews. Some of you guys may be familiar with their channels or not, but you can check out the links to their videos down below. Like I said, they're much more in-depth about the explanation of the contest, but I will just break down kind of the main points for you guys here just to kind of see if you're interested. Go and check out more information about it. So May is Lupus Awareness Month, and if you guys aren't familiar with lupus, it's just a pretty terrible disease. Basically, you can feel free to research that more on your own, but it affects quite a lot of people. And so what these guys wanted to do was basically have an event to raise some money for helping to find a cure for lupus. That's for the Lupus Foundation of America. So in this case, this is a contest that you do have to pay to enter, but the entry fee is all going to donating to this foundation. So it is all for a very good cause. So the site where you need to buy the ticket, I'll put that down below as well. Now basically there's 3 categories for the contest: beginner, intermediate, and advanced, and all the rules explaining the different categories again are in their videos and in the documents they have linked in their videos, so again, make sure you check that out. But the entry fees for the different categories are $5 for beginner, $10 for intermediate, $15 for advanced. And basically the only rule is that you have to build a lupus or a lupus rex, with it being a lupus contest. So whether you're building the Barbatos lupus in the SD form or HD form or the 1/100 scale form, you have about 6 different kits to choose from. You are allowed to kit bash and use different things, resin parts or parts from other kits, but they want you to keep around 50% of the parts from the original kit in there. And in the end, they want it to still resemble some sort of Barbatos lupus. And then once you're finished, they want you to submit about 6 high-res images, and you can provide a link to like a blog or a YouTube page or something where you have more. If you want to show off more than that, you can put a link in that entry email, as I understand it. But they do also want you to include in at least one of the 6 submission entry photos, include in one of the photos your name and date, so they can prove that it's you and that you're doing this as like a current project. So you'll submit your final entry emails to LupusForLupus@gmail.com. That will be down below as well. And then the entry deadline for that is May 20th, and then they'll announce the winners a little bit later on May 31st. Now this contest is primarily for residents of the US, but they will have a separate prize category for people living outside the US as well, because they want this to be open for everyone in the world. But just because they're doing all this contest just out of their own pocket, all the profits from the contest is all going to the foundation, so they're worried about shipping costs. Of course, I understand that. But in each of the 3 categories, there are going to be 3 winners. Now, as I understand it, they're basically just going on whatever kits they have. Now, they've got some kits donated from some different shops, but I think like if other people along the way donate more kits to the event, then they'll have more prizes to give away. But at the moment, they've got 3 prizes, first, second, and third for each of the 3 categories. So here are the prizes. For the beginner category, there are HG prizes: the HG Hygog, the HG Amatsumina, and the HG RX-782 21st Century type. Intermediate category prizes are real grade, so the real grade Zeta Gundam, the real grade Banshee Norn, and the real grade Tallgeese. And then for the advanced category, there are master grade prizes: the master grade Justice, the master grade GM Sniper Custom, and the master grade Gundam Epion. And there will be a best in show winner, which will be a master grade Deep Striker, which is a pretty big prize. And then, as I said, for international contestants, they're going to be a little bit different. So the international winners will basically just be winning an online gift card that you can use then on pretty much anywhere, as I understand it. The beginner winner will win $20. Intermediate $40, and advanced will win $60 in just online money. Now, for those of you who are interested in the cause but not really too interested in joining the contest, there is also an option on the site where you go to buy basically your entry fee. There is also an option to just donate whatever you want. You can do that there as well. They're also selling t-shirts as well, so you can buy t-shirts. Again, all the profits from that is going to the Lupus Foundation as well. So if you guys do just want to support the cause but don't really want to enter your kit for that, there are other ways to do that as well. So again, this is basically just all of the basic information about this. If you do want to get into more of the details, you can feel free to check the links down below. Watch Shoky's video and just Zeta Gundam's video there as well. They also have links to the Google document, which has all the rules. You can check that out in more detail if you're interested. But I think that it's really great that they're wanting to do something for a charitable cause, and they want to bring people together to use our money for other people and for the benefit of humankind rather than just for the benefit of ourselves and just buying more kits. So just to quickly wrap up, I'll just say thank you to ZakuAurelius, who made me aware of the contest and asked me if I wouldn't mind kind of helping to support the contest. I'm glad to. It took me a little while, but hopefully you guys should still have plenty of time to enter that. You still have 3 or 4 weeks, so you should still have some time to get something together. So thank all of you guys for watching. If you're interested, go check out the contest, and that's going to be it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time.